Okay, very good afternoon, children. Today we'll learn union, intersection, difference by Venn diagram. Okay, so we represent a universal set first, a universal set by a rectangle. Okay, a universal set is denoted by a rectangle and write U. Okay, then if I talk about set A and if I talk about set B, and if I assume that something is common between them, I'm assuming that something is common, I'll draw like this. Individual sets are denoted by circles, so I'll write set A over here, set B over here. I'm assuming that something is common, like for example 1 2 3 इस सेट ए में है, सेट बी में 2 4 5. ठीक है, so I'll represent and let us say my u is 1 to 5. अगर ये रिप्रेजेंट करना है सेट में, I'll write like this. सेट ए में क्या है 1 2 2 is common between both, so I'll write 2 here. ठीक है, then 5 4 3. So this gives me more idea about sets rather than this theoretical way, correct? Now let us understand the regions. This blue region is common to both A and B, so my blue region is called as A intersection B. The common part between A and B is called as A intersection B. Okay, then if I shade the entire part, see this. Okay, let us shade first only red part. If I shade only the red part, क्या आंसर आएगा? सिर्फ 1,3. क्या आंसर आएगा? 1,3. And if I find A minus B, वो भी कितना आएगा? A minus B find किया, I will get 1,3. Can I say that? Yes. So the red part मैंने shade किया, I have made a heart over here. This heart is nothing but I read it as only A. I'll read it as only A. क्या बोलेंगे इसको हम? Only A. अभी only A कैसे मिला? How I've got from the entire set A, I am subtracting this common part ना. ये common part कितना है? A intersection B. इस रीजन को हम बोलेंगे intersection B. तो from the entire circle of A, I am subtracting this part, that is this much part. Then I get only A. This part is called as only A. How I am getting it? A minus A intersection B. A minus A intersection B. Similarly, B के लिए I'll shade by black region. ऐसे जो black region है मेरा, that is only B. If I talk about the black lines, it is only B. क्या आएगा? Only B. ठीक है? Now, if I talk about the region fully, पूरा A और पूरा B मैंने कवर किया. I'll draw it again. Same diagram drawing here. A है, ये B है. So if I cover the entire part like this, and this. So the entire part will be called as A union B. क्या बोलेंगे? The shaded part will be called as A union B. तो A union B क्या है? Complete A. क्या है? Complete A plus complete B. Complete B. But प्रॉब्लम क्या हो गई? This part was counted twice, है ना? ये A में भी काउंट हो गया, ये B में भी काउंट हो गया. How many times it has been counted? 2 times. So 1 time subtract करना पड़ेगा. So I got a new formula. A union B is equal to A plus B minus A intersection B. Actually we get नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन ए यूनियन बी, ए यूनियन बी में जो एलिमेंट्स आएंगे दैट इज नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स ऑफ सेट ए प्लस नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स ऑफ सेट बी माइनस नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. अंडरस्टूड? यस. नाउ लेट अस लर्न कॉम्प्लीमेंट. कॉम्प्लीमेंट भी पढ़ा है हमने. सपोज इफ आई ड्रॉ दिस सेट U and if I draw this A, तो A को छोड़ के whatever I have like this part, ये जो पार्ट है बाहर का, चलो I'm very poor in drawing so please cooperate. So this red part is called as A dash. क्या बोलेंगे red part को? A dash. So red part whatever is shaded is A dash. Getting it? Similarly अगर B dash बोला तो B छोड़ के बाकी पूरा शेड करेंगे. So I have understood what is A intersection B, what is A union B, what is A dash. ठीक है. So now we'll try to learn some proofs by Venn diagram. Then we'll go for the actual application. Okay. ठीक है. De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law, that is A union B the whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. Okay, so let me draw first 2-3 times this. 1 2 3 4. ठीक है. First I will take my LHS, that is A union B. A union B क्या आएगा? ये पूरा पार्ट आएगा A union B मतलब, correct? This is my A union B. Now I want to draw A union B का complement. क्या बनाना है? A union B का complement. तो इस blue shade को छोड़ के whatever is left, that is A union B dash. क्या आएगा? This green part is nothing but A union B dash. This green part is A union B dash. Understood? Okay, तो मेरा LHS हो गया. That is my equation number 1. Okay. Now मुझे क्या फाइंड करना है? A dash. क्या फाइंड करना है? A dash. ये मेरा A है, ये मेरा B है, ये मेरा U है. A dash फाइंड करना है. So except A, I will circle everything. So see, this is my A dash. A छोड़ के everything, okay? So leaving A, everything I have shaded. So that is A dash. क्या है वो? A dash. Next क्या है? B dash. B dash मतलब leaving B, everything I have to shade. So again I will shade it right now. Leaving B, I have to shade everything. Correct? Now A dash और B dash का intersection करना है. A dash and B dash का intersection means what is common thing which is shaded in both things? Tell me. दोनों में क्या common shade किया है? So I draw one more over here. A B. दोनों में common जो shaded part है that will be your answer. Okay? तो दोनों में कॉमन शेडेड पार्ट क्या है? देखो ये वाला पार्ट कॉमन नहीं है, ये वाला पार्ट कॉमन नहीं है. एक्सेप्ट दीज टू सर्कल्स द एंटायर बैकग्राउंड इज कॉमन. कैन आई से दैट? यस. सो आई एम गेटिंग दिस आंसर. दिस इज माय RHS. करेक्ट? सो नाउ सी LHS and RHS. Can I say both are equal? Yes. So I can say that A union B the whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. ठीक है. Similarly आप लोग second De Morgan's law prove करोगे. Okay. Now we move on to the application part. Let us talk when we have 3 sets. अगर हमारे पास 3 sets है and something common है तीनों में, तो it comes like this. set A, B, C. ठीक है? Let us shade and name them. Now this green part is common to all three. This green part is common to all three. So it indicates A intersection B intersection C. It indicates A intersection B intersection C. That is common to all. ठीक है? Then this red part, सी मैं इतना ही रेड पार्ट बना रहा हूं, पूरा नहीं बना रहा हूं, only this much. This red part is called as only A intersection B. Only A intersection B. Only A intersection B. Then if I draw this heartbeats, it is only A intersection C. क्या बोलेंगे? Only A intersection C. ठीक है? If I draw this dotted lines, ये हो जाएगा only B intersection C. क्या हो जाएगा? Only B intersection C. ठीक है? Now this part, black, this boundary, ये पूरा रीजन जो है ब्लैक वाला जो मैंने शेड किया है, दिस रीजन, दिस ब्लैक पार्ट इज कॉल्ड एज ओनली बी. क्या बोलेंगे इसको हम? ओनली बी. सिमिलरली दिस ब्लैक पार्ट विल बी कॉल्ड एज ओनली ए. क्या बोलेंगे इसको हम? ओनली ए. एंड दिस पार्ट will be called as only C. ठीक है? क्या बोलेंगे? only C. और तीनों सर्कल्स को ले लिया तो A union B union C. So for this my formula of number of elements of A union B union C आता है number of elements of A plus number of elements of B plus C minus A intersection B minus B intersection C minus C intersection A plus A intersection B intersection C. How? I leave up to you to verify the formula with the help of this diagram. ठीक है? Clear with this? Now exercise 1.6 children. If x and y are two sets such that first one n of x is 17, n of y is 23 and n of x union y is 38, you have to find n of x intersection y. Put only out to the formula. क्या पढ़ाया था? n of a union b is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Correct? This we have learned today. ये कितना दिया है? 38. 17 plus 23. This is missing. Am I right? I take this on left side. Therefore, n of x intersection y will be 40, 50. Minus 38. So n of x intersection y becomes 12. Understood? Yes? Okay. Now question number 2 is same. So we will do on your own. Let us do question number 3 now. Okay? In a group of 400 people, my u is given as 400. 250 can speak Hindi and 200 can speak English. They are talking about two languages, means two sets. तो ये लेते हैं हिंदी का, ये लेते हैं इंग्लिश का. They are saying 250 can speak Hindi, 250 Hindi and 200 English. This is what they have given. This value which is given is for the entire circle. 250 हिंदी, 200 इंग्लिश. ठीक है. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? They are asking how many people can speak both Hindi and English. So Hindi and मतलब intersection English I need to find. Correct? Same again union दिया है आपको. So n of Hindi union English is equal to n of H plus n of E minus n of H intersection E. ये कितना दिया है 400. This will become 250 plus 200 minus H intersection E. So we solve it. आपको मिलेगा H intersection E is nothing but 50. कितना आएगा 50. Understood? Yes. Clear everyone? Now question number 6 let us go. Question number 6. Okay? क्या बोला है? In a group of 70 people, that is 70. So in a group of 70 means U is given as 70. 37 like coffee, 52 like tea. So 37 like coffee, 52 like tea. ठीक है. So ये कॉफी का सर्कल हो गया, ये टी का सर्कल हो गया. So कॉफी, टी. And each person likes at least one of the two drinks. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं हो रहा है कि a child is neither liking coffee nor liking tea. It means they have given that n of C union T is 70. Okay? A child is drinking something, whether tea or coffee, but he is drinking something. How many people like both coffee and tea? तो आपको कॉफी एंड टी फाइंड करना है. क्या फाइंड करना है? कॉफी एंड टी. अप्लाई द सेम फॉर्मूला. I will not give a solution for this. You will solve. Okay. Okay, children. Now question number 7 from the State Board textbook. In a class of 200 students who appeared certain examination. So I'll first draw the diagram. Then we'll go for the sum. Okay. In a class of there are 200 students. So 200 students. 35 students failed in CET. 40 in NEET. 40 in JEE. 3 criteria are given. So I will draw 3 circles. So 1, 2, 3. So CET, JEE, NEET. Okay. Now whenever we solve this sum with the help of diagram, your first task is to fill this. एक बार ये fill हो गया, your sum will never go wrong. If you go by diagram, पहले वही fill करना है. ठीक है. So I'll read the question and try to find out what is the value for this. 35 failed in CET, मतलब इस पूरे सर्कल का आंसर है 35. 40 in NEET, ये पूरे सर्कल का आंसर है 40. 40 in JEE, so this full circle represents J. I'll write CET, that is 35. JEE, that is 40. NEET, there is 40. Then 20 failed in CET and NEET. CET and NEET में 20 फेल हुए हैं. 17 in NEET and JEE. So NEET and JEE 17. And 15 in CET and JEE. And 5 failed in all 3. So 5 are failing in all 3. CET में भी फेल है, नीट में भी फेल है, जेई में भी फेल है. ऐसे कितने लोग हैं? 5 people. Yes. Let us try to interpret this. बाद में हम क्वेश्चन रीड करेंगे. Okay. So as I said, सबसे पहले हमें ये एरिया फिल करेंगे. This means failed in all 3. So how many people are failing in all 3? 5. Am I right? 5 लोग फेल हो रहे हैं. So I'll write 5 over here. How much I'll write? 5. Understood? Now once I write 5, तो ये जो पूरा ब्लॉक है सीईटी और जेई का, इसमें 5 स्टूडेंट्स ऑलरेडी यहां पर है. So when I fill this, that is CET and JEE, I'll subtract 5. So CET and JEE कितने लोग हैं 15. This entire area is 15. उसमें से 5 are sitting here. So here how many will sit? 10. Why I am doing this? Because when I am filling, I am only filling only values. क्या fill कर रहा हूं मैं? Only values. ये 10 का मतलब क्या है? 10 लोग CET and JEE में ही फेल हुए हैं. 10 लोग CET प्योरली CET and JEE में फेल हुए. ओके. नाउ CET and NEET. CET and NEET का कॉमन सर्कल क्या है? ये ना, ये कॉमन सर्कल है. इसमें से 5 लोग यहां बैठे हैं. तो CET and NEET में कितना है? 20. 20 में से 5 गया, ये कितना आएगा? 15. कितना आएगा? 15. देन ये पूरा सर्कल JEE और NEET का है. तो JEE और NEEट कितना है? 17. उसमें से 5 यहां चला गया, तो यहां कितना आएगा? 12. करेक्ट. क्या आएगा? 12. नाउ इस पूरे सर्कल की वैल्यू कितनी थी? 35. द एंटायर सर्कल हैज वैल्यू 35. सो नाउ व्हाट विल आई डू? मुझे ओनली CET चाहिए. एग्जैक्टली सिर्फ CET में हाउ मेनी चिल्ड्रन हैव फेल्ड आई वांट टू सी. सो फ्रॉम फुल सर्कल दैट इज वैल्यू 35, I'll subtract this. So 35 में से 20, 30 are sitting here. So how many is left? 5 are left. How many are left? 5. ये पूरा सर्कल नीट का है. करेक्ट. सो नीट में कितने फिल हुए? 40. 40 में से 32 को यहां बिठा दिया है. सो रिमेनिंग आर 8. कितने रिमेनिंग? 8. JEE में कितना है? 40. तो ये पूरा सर्कल 40 का है. तो 22, 27, तो कितना आएगा? 13. कितना आएगा? 13. Understood here? Now let us find the answers. First one is did not fail in any examination. How many students are such that they did not fail? So you know that 200 people had appeared. 200 people have appeared minus these are the values where people have failed. ये जो मैंने बनाए हैं रेड एंड ग्रीन, they are people who have failed. So if I add all these people and subtract from 200, I will find that how many have not failed. So let us do that. So कितना आएगा? 5 plus 10 plus 13 plus 15 plus 5 plus 12 plus 8. ठीक है? तो कितना आएगा? 15, 18, 28, 38, 43, 48, 50, 60, 68. 200 minus 68, 132. Yes. So 132 people have not failed in any examination. ना ही वो CET में फेल हुए, ना ही JEE में, ना ही NEET में. So understood the advantage of filling only values. ये जो मैंने fill किए हैं, these are only values. Second है failed in NEET और JEE. I want the answer failed in NEET और JEE. या तो वो नीट में फेल हुए हैं. नीट का मतलब कौन सा सर्कल? ये पूरा सर्कल. I'll shade this. नीट मतलब ये पूरा सर्कल है, am I right? या तो नीट में फेल हुआ है मतलब ये सर्कल, और मींस प्लस JEE में फेल हुआ है. तो JEE वाला सर्कल कौन सा है? ये ना. तो सी ऐसे लिखने की वजह से क्या हुआ? These values will not be counted twice. तो नीट वाला सर्कल मीन्स ये वाला कितना हुआ? 15 plus 5 plus 12 plus 8. सो नीट के लिए 15 plus 5 plus 12 plus 8 और मीन्स प्लस साइन JEE कौन सा लोगे? ओनली दीज टू वैल्यूज बिकॉज दीज टू ऑलरेडी काउंटेड. 13 plus 10 23. So कितना आएगा? 20, 32, 40, 63 people have failed in NEET or JEE. Understood? Yes? Okay. Now 8th one, from amongst 2000 literate individuals. So how many individuals are there? 2000. So let us write 2000 literate individuals. 70% read Marathi. 70% people out of 2000 are reading Marathi newspaper. तो कितना हुआ? 1400 people are reading Marathi newspaper. 50% read English. English कितना है? 50% of 2000 that is 1000 है ना. and 32.5% read both Marathi and English. So Marathi and English वाले कितने हैं? 32.5% of 2000 0000 कट 64 650 आएगा. कितना आएगा? 650. ठीक है. Let us draw two sets now. Marathi, English. Marathi इधर आएगा, English इधर आएगा. Correct? Now you know that सबसे पहले कॉमन पार्ट फिल करना है. कॉमन पीपल कितने हैं? 650. कितने हैं? 650. So I'll write 650 over here. Now this entire circle is of Marathi. इस मराठी में 650 लोग पहले से यहां बैठे हैं, तो रिमेनिंग विल सिट हियर. आउट ऑफ 1400 650 आर सिटिंग हियर. यहां कितना आएगा? चेक करो कितना आएगा? 750. कितना आएगा? 750. देन इंग्लिश का पूरा सर्कल 1000 का है, उसमें 650 ऑलरेडी आप काउंटेड, सो रिमेनिंग कितना हुआ? 350. कितना हुआ? 350. Understood? Yes. Now let us read. Find the number of individuals who read at least one of the newspaper. मतलब कुछ तो पढ़ रहा है बेचारा. At least one मतलब क्या? At least remember always. At least का मतलब है इंग्लिश भी चलेगा, मराठी भी चलेगा, दोनों भी चलेगा. इंग्लिश भी चलेगा, मराठी भी चलेगा, दोनों भी चलेगा. So these red values are the people who are reading something, है ना? Only English, only Marathi plus both. At least का मतलब क्या है? दोनों रीड किया तो भी चलेगा. So it will be 750 plus 350 plus 650, है ना? So 1000, 1100, 1750. कितना आएगा? 1750 people are reading something out of 2000. ठीक है? Understood? Second part, neither Marathi nor English. So neither Marathi मतलब M dash nor English. मराठी भी रीड नहीं कर रहा है, इंग्लिश भी रीड नहीं कर रहा है. So 2000 में से these are the people who are reading Marathi and English. I don't want them. So it will be 2000 minus 1750. Because these are people who are reading English or Marathi, तो माइनस कर कितना आएगा? 250 people are not reading any newspaper. Understood? Third one, only one of the newspaper. क्या third one? Only one of the newspaper. So either I am reading Marathi or I am reading English. तो only Marathi कितने हैं? 750. Only English कितने हैं? 350. So only one newspaper का आंसर आएगा 750 और इंग्लिश that is 350, that is 1100. Understood? Yes.